Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Android Premium Espresso machine. Now for this machine we had to do quite a bit of work as we had to replace some components of this machine, starting with the water pump. This water pump from 2007, so it was definitely working for quite a while before it gave out. And we also had to replace the gasket and service the 61 group head of the machine. On the boiler itself, we had to replace the pressure stat, and we also had to replace the safety valve. We descaled this machine as well, and we had to also replace the gasket of the expansion valve. So yeah, we did a little bit of work. We had to do make sure that the machine was not overheating. It was always correctly reading at that pressure, which is 1.2. That the expansion valve was not going past level 10 bars, and that the machine was just working on general. We're gonna show you how it comes out the stream before we actually do a shot of espresso. And as you can see, we have a nice gentle stream coming out through the group head, looking great. And now let's put a shot. Hopefully I pick up the right grind settings of this machine, otherwise you're gonna see drip coffee or coffee barely dripping. I'm using the grind that we have for our Elite Bianca.
How is that possible?
And as you can see, we have a nice steady stream coming out of the portafilter. Really good color. Pressurized at 9 bars, which is perfect. That's the way you want to do it. And look at that beautiful shot of espresso. Really looking great. Nice crema, excellent flow. Great shot of espresso coming out from this machine. Looking great. Now we're going to be testing the steamer one. As you can see, nice heavy steam coming out through the machine. Excellent pressure, working really great. Temperature stable.
Milk from the leftover thing over here and go back in there and eat them.
Pressurizing the way it's supposed to. While the gauges do not read 100% zero, they're a little bit old, but they will still be able to gauge when we were doing the pressure. Hot water for this machine, as you can see, nice steady stream coming out through the one, machine filling up perfectly too, machine working the way it's supposed to. So there you have it, Andrea Premium working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repairing with Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.